Great to have you on the show today. You are Mr. Bin Yu, President of the Linear Motion Department at Jiecang Technology. It's great to have you here. So you're doing good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Good.
Yeah,
all right.
I'm perfect right now.
Good. You know that we're going to start with some quick fire questions to get to know you a little bit.
Yeah.
So let's start with the question.
Yeah.
Sweet. Bring it on. Okay.
Bring it on.
Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Sweet. Coffee or energy drink?
Energy drink.
Oh, really? Okay. Startup or established company?
Established company.
Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
And especially if people don't know that you've been traveling all over the world, so you probably don't even know right now if it's morning or evening. But you're awake. That's the most important thing for us right now.
Yeah, because I have to choose one.
Absolutely.
And otherwise, I choose two.
That would be good as well.
Yeah.
Wearable device or implantable device?
Implantable device.
Mm-hmm. Mountains or beach?
Beach.
Beach. Me too. Email or phone call?
Email.
Team meeting or one-on-one?
Team meeting.
Innovation or optimization?
Innovation and also optimization.
That's absolutely fine to say that, because I think they both involve, they have to go together.
Yeah,
absolutely.
You can easily divide them.
That's true. Conference booth or keynote stage?
Keynote stage.
Okay. And diagnostic tool or therapeutic device?
Therapeutic device.
That's okay. So thank you for doing that. Now we know you a little bit more, and we know that you're traveling a lot and that you like to wake up in the morning. You also like to stay up late. So that's a good thing.
Yeah.
I don't even know when you sleep with all this traveling. You just came from Brazil, and I've been in Germany for 4 days now. So that's a lot. It's great to have you as a company at the Medica again this year. And I'd like to know what motivated you as a company to come back, and what message or innovation are you excited to share with the visitors here at the fair?
Yeah, first of all, we've been glad here and then every year. So then there'll be very excited to bring our new renovations, components and systems here. As you know, we are the system and the components level service provider and manufacturer globally. So we bring lots of the medical devices and the components and the systems into this show. So we are excited to share all those new products and innovations with our customers, even the older customers and also the new customers.
And maybe you can tell us, what have the reactions been so far when people come to see you at the stand?
Yeah, so doesn't matter it's new or old customers, they always come to our booth and to looking for the new things and innovations. And this is one of our key and pivotal platforms for us to provide and to show our customers and what the trends in the next step or in the future or near future or even 3 or 5 years plan to give them ideas and to share the experience. And also learn from the customer, the new demands and requirements.
Exactly. That's really important that you adhere to what the customer needs. Let's talk about, as you are a trusted name in intelligent motion systems, what the customers are seeing at the stand. Like, maybe you can tell us about what you're presenting and what people can look forward to seeing.
Yes, every year for sure we bring the new products and new technologies and to share with the customers here. And it's great opportunities. You can grab a group of people and to meet them at once. You don't have to go individual. So this is a great platform. And this year we bring lots of new products and technologies for the ceiling lifts and e-walkers and also the driving systems to the beds. So fifth wheels, and to give the caregiver less strength to push the beds and move around. So this is the new technologies that we give them, this innovation. So in this show, but for sure we'll bring more next year.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And I mean, that just to give the caregivers a chance to not have to work so hard. They have to work hard, but not have to use their strength so much. It's so important in a
effortless, I would like to say, call less efforts to give the patients and also the caregivers less strength,
Definitely. And in an aging society, it's really important that we have ways to help out the caregivers. Let's talk about the development of this industry, and that automation and connectivity as well as sustainability all play a role. How do you keep the balance between all of these three things?
That's a very good question. So keep a balance is always, a little bit challenging in both of us. So, this is we build up is with our technology into the experience. So we listen to the customers first. So which means we taking care of all those demands and requirements from the market. Then our goal is where the customer located and where we're team located. So we globally build our teams and closely to the customers to shorten the distance, and not the physical distance, and also communication distance, and different cultures, different understanding, because we come from different countries, different cultures. So this is we've been merging to each other, and also we use our technologies because we using the engineering languages. It's much easier to communicate and to bring our new innovations and new technologies into the market and close to the customer. And our team located in Europe, so they are the key communication bridge for us to, bring the requirement or the demands from the customer, and to closely to work with the engineers or teams in headquarters. And in other end, also we build the R&D center in Europe, and also we build a manufacturing in Europe. So we bring our supply chain close to the marketing and also close to the customers physically.
So many factors that play a role, from supply chains that you have to make sure that they work in a world where supply chains are not working, or they weren't anyway. So it's wonderful the job that you're doing. Let's talk about sustainability, which is also such an important topic, and how you are integrating eco-friendly materials and eco-efficient systems in becoming a responsible manufacturing company. How are you doing that?
Yeah, so we have 3 different level and with additional systems. So the first of the product level. So our engineers and they develop the products and by using the eco materials, and also use the technologies to reduce the power consumption and to increase the lifespan. And this is the way we are on the product level. And another one is the manufacturing level. So we use lots of intelligent energy systems in our factory to reduce the power consumption. For example, is photovoltaic, the generation, the power generation systems in our factories across the world. So any factories we open, so we use those two, and also we increase all the factories and to do zero waste and all recycled materials. And the third level is, so we are using different systems and to make sure all those eco-friendly to our customers closely, and to the economic way to help the customer to increase their procurement department to make a decision to choose eco materials.
It seems like you've taken everything into consideration, from communication over the eco-friendly materials to the location you are in. It's amazing what you've been doing, and everything has changed since 2000, and you've managed to go with the development of the industry. So it's really a pleasure to have you here on the show, and an honor to have you here in Düsseldorf at the fair. And we wish you, of course, for the next 25 years and 50 years all the best. So thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the best, and hope to see you next time at MEDICA-TradeFair.